Over time, fuel systems can get clogged with carbon, varnish, and debris, reducing engine performance and fuel efficiency. Here's how to clean out your entire fuel system step by step. Add a quality fuel system cleaner to a nearly empty tank, then fill it up. As the fuel circulates, it helps clean injectors, valves, and combustion chambers. Chevron Techron Fuel System Cleaner breaks up and removes carbon buildup in your car's fuel system. When the gasoline tank is nearly empty, pour the entire contents of one bottle into the tank and refuel with up to 45 liters of fuel. Repeat the application every 5,000 kilometers to keep the fuel system components clean. Drive the car for a while to allow the cleaner to circulate through the system. Sometimes, just replacing the fuel filter is enough to clean the fuel system. Use a disconnect tool by pushing it into the fuel line, while also pushing the line toward the tool, then pull the line off the filter. Remove the old filter and replace it. A clogged filter can lead to poor engine performance, so changing it regularly helps keep your fuel system clean. If you think there's dirt or contamination in the fuel lines, you can clean them using a fuel line cleaning tool or through the fuel filter. Flush the lines with a cleaner, or run a small amount of fuel mixed with a cleaning agent through the system. To clean the throttle body and intake valves, start by spraying throttle body cleaner into the throttle plate area. If you see carbon buildup, gently scrub it with a toothbrush. CRC throttle body and air intake cleaner quickly removes carbon and grime to restore smooth airflow and proper fuel air mixture. It's especially useful for maintaining fuel efficiency and preventing rough engine behavior caused by carbon deposits. If you suspect water, rust, or debris in the gas tank, it should be cleaned manually. Remove the tank, empty its contents, rinse it thoroughly with a fuel-safe cleaner, and allow it to dry completely. Once clean, reinstall the tank and fill it with fresh fuel to ensure proper engine performance. After performing the cleaning, run your engine for a while to ensure the system is fully circulated and the cleaner has done its job. Keep an eye on how the engine is running and monitor for any problem. Regular fuel system cleaning boosts performance, improves efficiency, and helps prevent costly repairs.